your pipe. That long enough?
Yeah.
You got clamps, all that?
No.
Not. Alright guys, so he went ahead and took the stock exhaust off of the parts car and put it on his car because he has no exhaust. Bro, like your whole your engine and transmission sitting on the ground right now.
Yeah.
But yeah, so he took it off the parts car so he has something because this thing has just been open downpipe in a sense. But he had a cat, like the cat and all that stuff.
Some crackhead in our complex stole it.
Yeah, someone in the complex stole it from his back porch, which he told me I can have it and everything, and I looked at it and stuff because, you know, I usually sell cats and stuff, and it was an aftermarket one, so aftermarket ones are like, you can only get like 15-20 bucks for them, you know? So I'm sure someone just saw one and wasn't thinking, like, oh, it's a cat, you know, not knowing about them, thinking it's worth a couple $100 or whatever. Nope. So I was like, hey, did you take that cat? I'm like, no. It's like someone stole it off my back porch. Because literally, if that's all he's missing. After if we would have bolted that up, the rest of it would have fit up perfect. But yeah, we went out his home, got a piece of exhaust and some clamps so we can clamp it all up, and then he have exhaust. All right, so got up to the shop, grabbed the welder, and then I have this flange. Did we test this on your car to be sure it fit?
If not, it's going to.
All right. I believe this is off the Accord. If it's not off the Accord, it's off the S10, but it's a
I
3.
measured the width and everything. And
Yeah. And it's a 3-bolt flange, so they should be the same. It's either off the S10 or the Accord. Either way, we're going to make it fit and work. But we're going to go ahead and weld this up and then go from there, I guess. All right, guys. So we learned very quickly that 3-bolt flange is definitely off the S10. It does not fit the Accord. You look at the one on the Accord, it kind of has a weird shape to it. Unlike this one here. So welded on for no reason. I guess we're gonna cut that flange off, both flanges off. Matt?
Yeah.
So we're gonna cut both of those flanges off and straight weld it, which is gonna be fun under the car.
Well, if anything, you just stick fucking exhaust clamps to it right now.
All right. Yeah, we'll do that and then we can get it later on, weld it up, I guess. So let's get this off and that one off. Alright, so now we're going to cut this off so we can put the pipes up. We got that flange right there, cut off, and that goes from, you just need a piece to go from here to here. Ow! Man throwing sparks at me, boy.
Yeah, the way.
Just enough blade, hopefully.
Yeah, I know, right?
Swag.
Any sense?
No, it didn't, but I'm gonna let you take it. So, all right. Now he's going ahead and slip that baby on here.
It's short.
Nah, lift him up. Orale.
It's short.
Son of a beachin'. Okay, that piece that you cut off that's laying on the ground over there, can we add that to it? Alright guys, we're gonna get this figured out and then we'll update. Alright, so now I'm gonna go ahead and tighten this. Hopefully it tightens up enough. So we got it on best we can. This is obviously temporarily, just until it gets pulled off and ripped off, because we know it's going to. Yeah, or until he sells the car. And Ruben was a big help. Did you help, Daddy? Did you help us? I'm trying to get up. I'm fat. Ugh. Come on, Ruben. Come here, buddy.
You ready to hear all these?
Hold on. You want to get this out from under here? Let me move my cellular door.
Do it tomorrow or later. Good job, Ruben.
Ruben, come here.
Good job, buddy.
Go ahead and lower this baby down. Dun, 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 dun. Instant camber. Yes, sir. So now we're gonna start it up. See how she sounds. Don't forget to get your stickers, y'all. Oh my god. Still have an exhaust leak, but
Better than it was. Sounds like I'm real hot right now.
I bet you it's your flex pipe from rubbing. Probably put a hole in it. It's definitely quieter than it was,
Way quieter.
and now he can drive it and not piss people off too much. We have an exhaust leak on the goat car too. So now let's pick up our mess and go from there. Are you happy at least with how it sounds?
Dude, it's so much quieter. It's great.
So, Ruben,
I love loud cars. Not straight pipe four bangers.
Ruben, say hi.
Straight pipe with no pipe.
My buddy. Yeah, I don't mind like straight pipe turboed cars, but like NA cars, straight pipe, I don't like it. Especially I don't care if it's 4-cylinder, 8-cylinder, whatever. I don't like the sound of a straight pipe. 4-cylinder or anything.
No.
Yeah.
Don't play. No. Leave it.
Next time we have
All
the
right,
right one.
let's pick up. Yo, all right, so I'm editing this video, and always do this. Always. Gotta close out the video. We started up, cleaned up, got to talking and stuff. Got dark, and I just forgot to close out the video. So I'm closing it out now. I hope you guys enjoy the video. Like I said, I'm trying daily upload as much as I can. I will love to see how the revenue and everything happens or turns out if I daily upload throughout this whole month. So that's definitely the game plan. So if you guys are enjoying the content and you guys want to see that, just keep watching these videos, smashing that thumbs up button, leaving your feedback down in the comments, sharing the videos, all that. It helps sharing the channel, everything like that. We're pushing to get this channel growing and to get the Accord to the dyno and then finished up to the track, all that kind of stuff. Content has been slow on the red car for the simple fact that me and my girls have been trying to get a house. So a lot of our money's been going towards saving for that and our other bills. So I ain't really trying to spend money on the Accord right now. But if this channel can progress and be able to help fund it, great. We did find a baller house that we want and everything, and it has a shop on the property, all that, so that would be ideal for us. Maybe I could show you guys the house. I got to talk to my girl and figure out if they'll allow us, the people that are currently living there, because they're going to be moving out soon, and we're going to try and buy that house. So yeah, that's why I haven't been uploading a lot lately. It's just been focused on working, making money, paying bills, and trying to save money to get this house. But yeah, that's all for another video. For now, this one is over, and if you guys enjoyed it, smash that thumbs up button, share the videos, all that good stuff, you know. Like everybody says, please like, comment, subscribe, share, hit that notification button so y'all get notified when we post, and we will catch y'all in the next one. Peace.